we're finally at the time where we're going to draw names for the small businesses that were nominated during our snow check season. And we want to say that at this point we have $25,000 that we're going to be able to donate to the names, the businesses that were nominated by all of our snow check customers. So we want to say thank you to our snow check customers who all helped raise this money for the small businesses, and just our customers in general. We have the best customers in the world, and you guys have been great. And so I'll let Olivia go and say the rest of what needs to be said about that.
We want to also thank Jolly Roger and Jed Regal. They both donated to this fund to help us raise this $25,000. A lot of people know that the whole plan of this was to get nominations and raise as much money as we could to have to donate. So like he said, we have $25,000. We're going to do 5 drawings, so it'll be $5,000 to each business. If a business gets drawn more than once, we'll just redraw so that we can spread the money to as many small businesses as possible. But we also want to take this time where we're live, where we're talking to you guys, to thank the people that have made today such a big success. We have Glacier Grind down here. We're really thankful that they made the drive. We have Crowley donated to be able to feed everybody today. And Big Delta Brewing Company brought the pizza down, which is awesome. We've been able to keep everybody fed today because of that. And then we also have Mac here today, and they have a really awesome promotion that they're doing with us for the month of April. Anybody who buys a machine from us and uses Mac for their financing is going to get a $200 certificate to use in store on parts, accessories, anything like that. So if you're buying a machine, do it in April and use Mac. They have awesome promotions that they're running for this month. So we're really thankful for all of those businesses. Those are Alaska businesses. That's what being here is all about. And so we really appreciate those people making this possible. We appreciate the people that donated, and we're really excited to be able to do this.
All right, so I was going to draw this myself, but I got some of my junior race team here. My junior riders, so I told them I was going to pull them up. So this is Justin Ice. Arctic Raw Fur.
Arctic Raw Fur.
All right. And this is Blake Sauce.
Little Richard's Family Diner.
Little Richard's Family Diner.
You guys want to say anything about your racing here?
It was good. We can get all the parts for one for Delta. They helped us great. We just heard all the discounts on the parts and everything. And,
our race season would have been possible without you guys.
Yeah. These guys are the future here of riders in Alaska. So that's another thing we really believe in here is supporting the youth that are coming up into racing. And we have obviously a adult riders team as well. But these guys, you'll see these guys on the circuit in the future. Okay, so we have 3 more small businesses that we want to draw. There's another rider team. So I'm going to get one of our senior riders here.
I'll pick it.
James Lazoff.
Let's go down. Little Bear Photography.
Little Bear Photography.
One more. Colton, yeah, come on up. Glacier Grind Coffee right here. If you haven't been to Glacier Grind, you need to go. They got great food and good coffee.
Glacier Grind.
Fenders.
Fenders Restaurant. All right. So that's it for now. We are very close to being able to draw a 6th name. So if you haven't snow checked yet, you can help us get to enough money to be able to do one more at the end of April is our plan if we reach the goal. So thank you again, all of you Facebook Live people. Thank you for supporting Delta Powersports, supporting all these other businesses, Mac, Glacier Grind, Crowley Fuel, and racing in Alaska. If you see youth racers, pat them on the back, tell them they're doing a good job, and keep them racing. Thank you.
Hi, this is Lillian with Delta Powersports. I'm just here with Ed, who owns Little Richard's Family Diner. We are here just to present him with this $5,000 check for winning our small business promo giveaway. We're so happy to be able to donate to you and your business. We hope that you can use this in your business to make it
Very thankful. Very thankful.
All right, so we have Brittany here with Loft 49 Boutiques, and she was one of the winners of our drawing for the small businesses during our snow check season. So I am giving her a check for $5,000 to help her business continue to thrive. So if you are looking for, what do you sell?
Clothing and shoes and accessories.
Then go see Loft 49 Boutique and let's help keep small businesses rolling in Alaska.